Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. And boy, do we have a showdown for you! In the left corner, we have the AnkerMake M5C, the speed demon of the 3D printing world. And in the right corner, the Qidi Q1 Pro, the heavyweight champion of precision and versatility. Let's get ready to rumble. First things first, let's talk about the green stuff. The AnkerMake M5C comes in at a wallet-friendly $399. That's right, folks, you can print your dreams without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Qidi Q1 Pro is priced at a hefty $699. Ouch! That's the kind of price that makes your credit card hide under the couch. Reviewers appreciate the AnkerMake M5C for its value for money, while the Qidi Q1 Pro, although more expensive, is seen as an investment in advanced features and reliability. Speed and precision are the name of the game. The AnkerMake M5C boasts a respectable 500 mm per second speed with 0.1 mm precision. Not too shabby, but the Qidi Q1 Pro? It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, with a whopping 600 mm per second and dual Z-axis motors. That's faster than me running to the fridge during commercial breaks. Users of the AnkerMake M5C love its speed for quick projects, while Qidi Q1 Pro owners rave about its exceptional precision and faster speeds, especially for more detailed prints. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a newbie. The AnkerMake M5C has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, and you can control it from the AnkerMake app. It's like having a tiny 3D printing butler in your pocket. Meanwhile, the Qidi Q1 Pro offers the same remote control via a mobile app, but also throws in a 1080p HD camera for real-time monitoring. It's basically the James Bond of 3D printers, just missing the martini. Reviewers note that the AnkerMake M5C is extremely user-friendly and easy to set up, while the Qidi Q1 Pro's additional features make it a bit more complex but highly functional. Reliability and compatibility time. The AnkerMake M5C has wear-resistant components and a 300 degrees Celsius all-metal Hotend handling PLA, PETG, ABS, TPU, and PLA-CF. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. But wait, the Qidi Q1 Pro steps up with a 350 degrees Celsius bimetal nozzle and can print with just about anything you throw at it: PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, and even carbon fiber. It's basically the MacGyver of 3D printing, just without the mullet. Reviews suggest that the AnkerMake M5C is reliable for most projects, while the Qidi Q1 Pro is praised for its versatility and ability to handle a wider range of materials. Special features make the magic happen. The AnkerMake M5C has 49-point automatic bed leveling, a PEI flexible magnetic plate, and power and filament outage recovery. It's like having a safety net for your printing adventures. But the Qidi Q1 Pro? It has a full auto-calibration system, an active heating chamber that goes up to 60 degrees Celsius, and a filament runout sensor. It's like having a 3D printing bodyguard that makes sure nothing goes wrong. Reviewers love the AnkerMake M5C for its straightforward, reliable features, while the Qidi Q1 Pro's advanced features win over those looking for top-tier performance. Reviewers generally praise the AnkerMake M5C for its affordability, speed, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for beginners and casual users. However, some have noted issues with noise and occasional larger print failures. On the other hand, the Qidi Q1 Pro is lauded for its precision, advanced features, and versatility, making it suitable for more serious hobbyists and professionals, despite some complaints about its price and minor software bugs. So there you have it, folks. The AnkerMake M5C is your go-to for budget-friendly, high-speed printing with ease of use. On the other hand, the Qidi Q1 Pro is for those who want top-tier speed, precision, and an array of advanced features. If you can handle the price tag, which one will you choose? The speed demon or the heavyweight champion? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.